Here is a video on how to change a Hyundai Tucson key battery. First, remove the emergency key. Press the button down. Remove it. See, you got a slot here for the emergency key, and then opposite here, yeah, we use a screwdriver to open the cover up, the battery cover. You just need to twist it like that, yeah. Insert the hole, you twist it, you open. See, just pull it away. Here's the battery, CR2032 battery. Push the battery out. Okay, to remove it, to replace it, yeah, the battery go in like that, yeah, with the sign, plus sign facing up, going like that. Line the cover up like that. Press it down, press it all the way down until you hear the click. Okay, put the key back on. Okay, it's done, yeah. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.